Welcome to Lone Wolf Outdoors. I have a delivery update, at least. I did receive one of my IONIC lithium batteries. I guess there was a mix-up. The other one's coming Monday. But I got this one, and we'll see what it looks like. And hopefully by midweek we'll have the ulterra done and maybe get on the water on Wednesday and try these things out. So let me show you what they look like and the app and everything like that. I've been waiting on these for like a month. So here we go. I've already taken these straps off. Open. Pretty good foam. Packed pretty good. There it is. Been waiting for a long time on these. I'm going to take it out of the box here. See what it looks like. I think it weighs like 28, 26 pounds. It's a 12 volt, 100 hour amp. Now it's supposed to be Bluetooth. We'll see how much charge it's got on. I have already downloaded the app right here. See if it picks it up. This is straight out of the box. We'll see what kind of charge it is. Yeah, 59%. Not bad. That's what I like about it. I can see how much charge I got on both of them when I get the other one. It's pretty cool. Let's see. It tells you your voltage, temperature, the health, current amp. Apparently when you got it hooked up, it'll show you the amp's been pulled. Everything looks normal. There's your cells. Everything's green. I'm telling you, these things are hard to get. But yeah, that's what I wanted. IONIC for that purpose right there. I paid a little bit more, but I shouldn't have to buy batteries for a very, very long time. So when I get the other one, we can get them installed and get that ulterra hooked up and see how it works. So I just wanted to update you just a little bit, and hope this helps a little bit. I don't know why they was separated. They shipped the same time, but you know how everything is in the world today. You just never know. I can't wait to get them in, try them out. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll get these in by Wednesday. We can get out on the water and have some out. Thanks again.